So scary, scintillating, earth-shattering, dangerous, champions-elect, Arsenal 2. Toothless, nearly as toothless as a newborn, Wolverhampton Wanderers, who happened to be the fourth lowest scorers in the Premier League last season, 0. Standard performance, if we're being completely honest. Make sure you do sub to the channel. We're blitzing towards 102k. But yes, this scary, dangerous, earth-shattering Arsenal. I don't see any reason why we can't win the league, if I'm honest. Make sure you stick a like on the video. That'd be fantastic. And yeah, will scary, earth-shattering Arsenal win the title? Because we've been told all week that Edu was in Spain. No picture, didn't happen. He was in the ground today. We see him there, didn't we? Live and direct. But anyway, I will be live for an emergency meeting. Why are you doing an emergency meeting? Because I can. After that, I'll be live for Valencia, Barcelona. Bottoms up. Let's not talk about bottoms up, bruv. There's some probing seconds going on in that game. What happened to Gabby Jesus, bruv? That's sexual assault. What's that all about? Let's get the Wolverhampton Wanderers pack. Let's get the Smoking the Premier League title pack. Earth-shattering. Earth-shattering, and we will win the Prem. I'm fully convinced. Fully convinced, guys. And listen, real talk. Make sure you subtly react. But let's go with the overall performance. 18 shots, 6 on target, 2 goals. I think we all now understand that we need a striker, which we've needed since Super Duper Mick rocked up. And there'll be people in this comment section going, "Oh, why are you so negative?" Why am I so negative? I'm not negative. I'm happy Arsenal have won the game. However, we should be beating Wolves at home. This ain't nothing new. Because if the manager is so good and the players are all so good and we're a great outfit, then why are we all getting our knickers in a twist over Wolves? Like, oh, they're amazing. Oh, they're great. Oh, we're scintillating. We're this, we're that. No, we should beat Wolves at home. Let's just be real with it. We should beat Wolves at home. Yeah, like I said, they only scored 50 goals last season. Luton scored 52. Every other team pretty much in the league, barring the 2 bottom teams and Everton, every other team in the league scored more than them last season. And that was a team with Pedro Neto in it. This team ain't got Pedro Neto in it. So let's not go on like this as some kind of, oh my God, what a great achievement. We were poor. We were very poor today. Yeah, the best 2 players on the pitch were the 2 goal scorers. Yeah, both of them. Saka to 29. What a cross. What a header, bruv. Tika Busan. That's how you head a ball, mate. You're 6'4". How comes you normally put them wide? Today, well done. You get your flowers, bruv. Well done, because he actually played well before that goal. He actually played well in general. Yeah, I wouldn't say it was a great, amazing, scintillating performance from him. However, he actually played all right today. Man was getting choked up at one point. You got next man trying to probe next Jesus. Like, what is going on in Wolves, bruv? Like, this Premier League's a bit weird, isn't it? Yeah, rainbows everywhere, flags everywhere, probing, choking. What are we doing here? They're not even hiding it anymore. This is the problem, guys. They're not even hiding the fact that they are a bit zesty. Do you know what I'm saying? That could be a penalty to West Ham real quick. John McGinn. So it would have been a penalty to Aston Villa, but it weren't given. Anyway, I digress. But yeah, the best 2 players on the pitch. Bukayo Saka killed that game off. And he had to kill that game off because it didn't look like we were going to kill it off. And then the longer it was going, the more they were getting into the game without any quality, because we know they ain't got any quality up front. Yeah, like, they ain't really got anything. They brought Mateus Cunha off the bench. Yeah, he had a chance where he probably should have scored. But let's be real with it. That first half performance, we should have been 3-0 up. Martinelli, by the way. I like you, mate. Yeah, I like you a lot. But I like Smith Rowe a lot as well. You better perform this season or you can go, mate. Yeah, I'm sorry. What did he do today to warrant staying on the pitch the whole game? Thomas Partey, another one. What did he do today? Apart from get run through and give the ball away and look like an absolute liability. He looked drunk today. Maybe he was out with Yves Bissouma the other day on the helium balloons or whatever it is they're sucking. Pause. the laughing gas. Maybe that's what he was on. Because I say he's saying he looked drunk. He looked like he was playing drunk today. Yeah, Martin Odegaard played well. Yeah, he had a decent effort at goal. Yeah, he was pressing. We know Martin Odegaard's going to press. And this is why I get onto this club all the time. Because if Saka gets injured or Odegaard get injured, where do we go from there? Where do we go from there? If Saliba or Gabriel get injured, and they played all right today, listen, defensively, we know we're cool. But it's going forward that is an issue for me. We needed a right winger. Oh, but who's going to come and sit on the bench? Well, maybe Elise, because we're going to play about 60-odd games this season. Maybe you can rest Saka for a little bit so he don't fall off a cliff with the last 8 games of the league to go. Maybe that. 1-0 Aston Villa. What a header that was. Yeah, Anana scored in his debut. What a goal. Off a corner. Bosh. Could have got Elise. We're going to play an awful lot of games this season. Yeah, we see Urian Timber come on today. Yeah, Urian Timber, fair play. I thought he'd done all right when he came on. Yeah, I thought he'd done all right. Yeah, and again, it's like a new signing and all of that rubbish. Yeah, but he needs to get a run of games. Why was Trossard on the bench? Why did it take so long to bring Trossard on? Then you brought him on for Saka and left Martinelli on. What, you're trying to play Martinelli into form? Bro, he was trash in pre-season. What are we doing here? Yeah, what are we actually doing here? Yeah, Calafiori, you have to wait a little bit longer to get the wet floor signs out for him. A little bit. I'm going to buy a headband. I know I've not really got any hair left. Oh, Lee's jealous of his hair. He's got fine locks. He has fine locks, guys. Yeah, but I'm not zesty. But anyway, Unai Emery celebrating, things you love to see. But anyway, yeah, going forward, yeah, if we could finish a wank, we would have won that game comfortably 4 or 5. But we can't finish. Look at the chance 29 had in the second half. The only thing Martinelli did in that whole game was put that on a plate. And was he aiming at Declan Rice? It was almost like he was like, headshot. I'll aim at Declan Rice. Like, what are we actually doing here? Yeah. Listen, we got the 3 points. Yeah, we've got a clean sheet. Fantastic. This is nothing I ain't seen last season. Clean sheet, 3 points. Clean sheet, 3 points. Clean sheet, 3 points. When it actually matters, we fold. You know, what have we done to overtake Man City this season? Yeah, yes, we got the win. Fantastic. They've not played yet. They've got no Rodri tomorrow against Chelsea. But to win the game, cool. We should beat Wolves at home. Clean sheet, cool. We should keep a clean sheet against Wolves. But when it really matters, can we get over the line? And when I'm looking at that squad as it stands right now, with, 13 days of the transfer window left, we've signed 1 defender. I'm sorry, that ain't acceptable. Yeah, Edu's sitting in the ground. Why is Eddie Nketiah on the bench, by the way? Why is he on the bench? Eddie Nketiah. Bro, we would... Oh, by the way, Mason Greenwood's bagged twice tonight. Maybe he's bagged 3 times. Hold up. Maybe he's bagged more than that. No, but they are 5-1 up away from home against Brest, who finished 3rd last season. Yeah, their new striker. In fact, all of their new players have scored. Luis Enrique scored. Yeah. Wahi scored. Yeah, Mason Greenwood scored twice. They've had 5 shots on target. They bagged all 5. It's almost like if you get gunmen up front, yeah, you actually win games. We ain't got gunmen. They've had 7 shots, 5 on target, 5 goals, 85% pass accuracy. And they ain't even dominated the ball. They've had 48%. We had 18 shots, 6 on target, 2 goals. Come on. We need strikers up front that can finish. Yeah, well done to Bukayo Saka today. He was my man of the match. I'd like to know yours. Leave it in the comment section. Yeah, 29 played well today. But again, 29 needs to stay well away from midfield. Put that guy up front. Just leave him up front. If that's going to be the guy that's going to lead our line, then leave him there then. Don't play him again in midfield. Because real talk, I don't rate him. You guys know I don't rate him. If we had played him up front last season for the whole time, instead of wasting 20-odd games in midfield, we probably would have won the league. Because as weird as it sounds, yeah, and as weird as he looks on the ball, yeah, he does have some kind of impact whilst looking clumsy, looking lethargic. Yeah, he causes a little bit of panic every now and again. And when he can score headers like he did today, which he didn't do last season, yes, but you got one against Brentford, who cares? Yeah, go back and watch the sitters he was missing with his head. Yeah, If he can do that more regular, then we get more output. So why did this manager waste him in midfield? Yeah, we need to go and buy a left CM. And all you man that are sat there gassing up this Mikel Merino, yeah, sorry to break it to you, he's Real Sociedad's third best midfielder after Zubamendi and Brace Mendes. And before you all start chatting crap, I've watched them all season last season. Tierney FC, my baller. Oh, but he's injured. Nobody cares. Yeah, we need to do a lot in this transfer window. We need a right winger backup. We need a number 10 backup. Yeah, we need a striker and we need a left CM. And unless we get all four of them, well done, Man City. 5 in a row. I'm sorry. So if that's the case, go and try and win a cup, mate. Yeah, stop throwing these cups in the bin. Oh, a League Cup's beneath us. No, it ain't. We ain't won nothing for 4 years. So go and win me a trophy. I don't care where we finish in the league as long as we stay in it. Yeah, if we ain't going to win it, I genuinely don't give a shit. So go and win me a trophy and well done. I'll give you your flowers. You get another 2 years. Trophy, 2 years. When you get the job, win a trophy, you stay 2 more years. You got 2 years to win the trophy to start off with. Win a trophy, you get another 2 years. That's the same for every football club. That's how it should be. Otherwise, the standards go from up here to down here real quick. But listen, is what it is. Yeah, is what it is. Yeah, Arsenal is scary, earth-shattering performance. Yeah, Arsenal's defense is scary, and yeah, all the clickbait merchants are out tonight. So I've clickbaited my video as well, and I can do it better than all of you because I actually have charisma, I have personality, and my sarcasm is better than all of them. So yes, bless up to everybody who has locked in. Make sure you check out Kenny Ken's fan cam. He's outside the ground right now. Make sure you check that out. Next video. Then Jezza, then emergency meeting, then Valencia versus Barcelona. But we're out of here, people. 3 points expected. I predicted 2-1. It was 2-0. We go marching on towards the title. Bosh.